Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. So guys, I'll tell you how to create this splash image with the progress bar in the JavaFX application. Guys, this is simple. You have to use a simple PNG image which has no background. So what I have done here, I have taken a simple PNG file, okay, and I opened that image in the Photoshop, and then I erase the background of that image, and I'm using here in the JavaFX application. So guys, let's check what more thing I have done. I will tell you step by step. So let me close this first. Okay, now come here in this is JavaFXML based project. So what you have to do, first you have to create a simple JavaFXML based project, okay, and then you have to add one PNG file that has no background. That means you have to erase the background of this image first, then add the same image here. Okay, now come here. This is the FXML that I am using to display the image that I am using here. Okay, I'm talking about this sample.png file. So this FXML file I'm using, this is the FXML file that I am using in this project. So this is the simple file, one anchor pen, and we have one pen, and on this pen I am using this image view because we have to display the image on the stage, so we have to use the image view. Okay, also I have assigned a FX ID to this image view. Okay, and then this is the progress bar. So I have placed this progress bar according to the image shape, so that is looking good, and this is on the proper position to display the progress. Okay, so the same thing I will use in my next video tutorial. That's why I am using the progress bar here, and you have to watch that videos as well to understand the complete concept. So guys, let me close this and we will come here inside the coding part, and let me show you what I have written on the controller. So guys, this is the controller. Once you create the FXML project in the NetBeans ID, you will get this file as default. So you will have this method, this handle button action method. This has no use in this project. Only you have to concern about initialize method, and in the initialize method we have to create an image object with the help of the input image. So here is our input image, and we are using the file input stream to read this image and loading inside this object. Okay, with the help of this image object we are setting the image on the image view. So this is the image view that we have used on the FXML at this place here. I'm talking about this image view. Okay guys, I hope this is clear. And the next thing what I have done, so come here in this file. So in this file you have to make the stage transparent. For the same purpose I have written this code. This is very simple code. When we are creating the new object of the scene class, so you have to pass color.transparent, okay, and these 4 parameters because this is the size of the scene, and color.transparent, making this stage transparent. Okay, and we are using the FXML file, so we have to set a style on the root. Okay, all these steps, all these 3 things done to make the stage transparent. Okay, so root.setStyle FX background color, we are setting the style. We are setting the style as a transparent. Okay, and stage.initStyle and stageStyle.transparent. So this is hiding these 3 buttons from the stage. This minimize, maximize and close button. As you have seen, there is no button available on the corner. Also we don't have a border of the stage, we have only the image shape. Okay, so these 3 things are very important to make the stage transparent. Okay, now save all those stuff, and these 2 things I have done here. Okay, let me summarize you. First, you need a sample image which has no background. Okay, After that, you have to edit the FXML like this. Okay, you have to add an image view, and you have to assign an FX ID, and you have to add a one progress bar here. Okay, after that you have to go here in the controller and go inside the initialize method, and you have to load the image, and then you have to set the image object in the image view control. Okay, you have to set the image on the image view control. That's all. After that, you have to come in this splash with image file. Here we are doing some activities. We are writing the code to make the stage transparent. So these three things you have to do. Okay, now save all, and I'm going to take a build again. Okay, it's done, and I will run this file. Okay, here this is the splash image which has a no border and which has a only progress bar. Okay, as we are expecting, it is working properly. So guys, I hope this concept is clear to you. So guys, don't forget to watch the second video. In the second video tutorial, I will use the same splash image, and I will integrate this splash image inside this splash screen project. If you have not seen the video tutorial on the splash screen, so you guys just follow the link given in the description and watch that videos first, and download the project and import the same project here in the NetBeans ID, and continue with the second video tutorial on the splash image